Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting hardware and verifying baseline performance. Plug the Astro base station into USB, then pair the Blackshark via its 4 GHz dongle or wired 3.5 mm cable. This isolates wireless variables. Once done, charge both units to at least 50% so battery safety features don't skew tests, and open each app to update firmware. This fixes latency and mic issues. Make sure to label each test environment so you control variables when /B testing audio. Now you perform controlled comparisons to reveal strengths and weaknesses. Play the same game mix, dialogue, and high-frequency footsteps at consistent volume. This shows imaging versus bass response. Then record 30-second mic samples at the same gain and distance to compare clarity, sibilance, and noise suppression. Analyze waveforms or listen with closed-back speakers. Next, wear each headset for an hour to test comfort. Pay attention to clamp force, ear cup material, and heat buildup. These steps tell you which performs better for your priorities. Finish by confirming real-world performance and resolving any problems. Measure latency using in-game cues and voice chat, and walk away to test wireless range and dropouts. This reveals practical differences in wireless design. Once done, tweak EQ and mic processing in each app, then repeat key tests to ensure changes help. If you still see glitches, like static, disconnects, or muffled mic, reset firmware, swap dongles or cables to isolate the fault, and only then contact support with test logs for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.